Welcome back. Jeff Tech on the Hero 4 cam now. So yeah, this one's done. We'll get that off the rack. Scratch nothing. It's not that heavy. It's heavier than a regular bike, but. And then we're gonna build this one now, you guys. Yeah. We'll build this one. Ooh, it's red. How neat. How neat. How sweet. Nice. I'm glad I built that one first. That's cool. This one will be like greased lightning. Get this one knocked out. And that's all it is. It's just repetition after that. This is your most important tool when you're building a bike. And have a good pair of wire cutters. Believe you me. Oh, awesome. Yeah, they come with the protector. Save the wheel protector. Save that hub. Save that Quando hub. Why? It's funny, it's got a Velec in front and a Quando in front. Velec in back and a Quando. Quando. Watch a lot of YouTube these days. Ever since COVID hit, I started watching YouTube a lot. And I don't have cable. I haven't had cable in over a decade. I quit Netflix and yeah, I just watch YouTube now. I really enjoy it. I watch stuff like I said, Derek Berry from Vice Grip Garage, Cars and Cameras, Junkyard Digs, and I watch a lot of Dustin Porter, Destination Adventure. I call it Destination Adventure, but he's a cool guy. He's up in Williams Lake, BC, and he does the off-road camping thing. And this year, he built. See, we're gonna take this off firsthand here. He built up an old 95 diesel rig, and it's pretty cool because he took the computer off of it completely, so the thing's an absolute analog. And apparently, the only thing you need a computer for on those 12 valves is to shut off the fuel. That's the only thing that the computer is actually necessary for. So if you put a manual fuel shut off, then you can 86 that computer. I think that's really cool, because now, you know, you don't have to worry about those diesels run forever. But yeah, I watch a lot of him, and he plays great music, and then he just puts a bibliography at the end. Discography. It's okay. It's okay, don't worry about it. I was just talking about that. I didn't want to fill it up because I didn't want to do that.
Oh, that's fine.
It's fine. It's fine. It's your shop. It's all good. I'm not doing anything important over here.
Yes, I hear you.
Robbie, what's up, brother? How you doing, man? Sit. 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 Look at those good girls. Like that, I'm working and they get the treats. I don't understand. I do all the work and they get all the treats. I don't understand. Thanks, Robbie.
Thank Jeff, bike looks great. So is she getting the ready for him?
Yeah, see the nut plate.
She's shorter, right?
Slides in.
Yeah.
Nice. Much easier to do it when it's not on the bicycle, I guess. And then these go up,
What do you think?
down and up.
Well,
Oh, that's so satisfying, isn't it? Having that film not be there.
You've been dealing with that one all day.
These look like stainless steel screws too. So that's kind of neat. See, it's just attention to detail. That's what I'm about. That's what Maple Ridge Cycles is about. for darn sure. You know, Troy, he's been doing this a long time, and he's one of the only guys left on the planet that will work on bikes that were not purchased here. I mean, you know, Wally World and all the other junk that's out there. People come in with stuff regularly, and you know, he hooks them up. I mean, my neighbor had one of those gas conversion bicycles, and those things are just, they play hell on the rear wheel. There's so much torque going to the rear wheel up those little gas engines. But I sent him over here and Troy hooked them up, and he Troy's really humble, but he strings the wheels for most professional BMXers up here. I mean, I could just come over here every day and I could watch him spoke up a wheel. It's just the coolest thing. It's like, it's relaxing. It's fun. I really enjoy it. And so I'm gonna do that I keep telling him the next time you have a wheel, call me up and I'll come over and film them. Right away. Get the 10 and the thing. This is the best part about doing two.
Yeah, so if you could phone them and tell them that.
This is the best part. Because you already know what you're getting into. This is awesome. Get this off of there. Flip it around. See, this one's got the wire on the, that one had the wire going through where the wheel well was. I think I'm gonna wait on that. We'll get that up on the stand and then I'll put that back on. Stand her up. It's a little dusty. This is the reverse one. Lefty tighty. Lefty tighty. And again, these don't have to be super tight, because as you're pedaling, it's just going to naturally tighten up. That's why they have the left-hand threads on that side. Like the old Dodges with the left-hand lug nuts on the driver's side, screwing people up. Take this, put the owner's manual in there. It's a nice bike rack. I mean, really nice. Checklist. Well, it's got a checklist. That's probably for the guy putting it together, checklist. We'll go over that. We'll go over that at the end. Now that we know how to get the stem cover. It's really nice. It's just a nice little touch. I don't know why I'm so impressed by that, but it's just cool. I get the handlebars routed correctly. Display facing a fella. Put that on there. Barely enough slack to get this one up. In. Get in there, you. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Not too shabby. This one's 90% back. This thing's 90% built. Where's that rag? Where's the rag? Get in there, dude. There you go. There you go.
See if I get another post to put in it there. So that's a
For the customer?
a 30.4. Well, yeah, I need something that's a little bit lower. This one we can't get it to slam it. It's got a 2-inch stack height that we gotta maybe have to switch it up just for the rider's height.
So,
Stiffens up all the body parts.
I mean, these guys must use miles of these little zip ties.
That's what I always like to go running them off.
Little twist ties, I mean, not zip ties. We're gonna wing it on the outlets here. We're gonna just go this into that. We'll just unplug the music for Yeah, I really like music. I listen to music all the time. I'm basically a metalhead, but I like all kinds of good music, classic rock, you know. Ooh, that's a bigger battery. And we'll get to the specs at the end. Yeah. Yeah, this one's way cleaner. I mean, substantially cleaner than the other one. It's got, oh, this one's got shocks on the front. I don't think the other one had shocks. It might have. So yeah, we used a little ratchet here, ratchet doodle. And yeah, I was watching the video, I was actually listening to the video this morning. I was making breakfast for me and the kids. And yeah, I said that 8mm is the same as 15/16. And yeah, I wonder how many comments I'll get on that. It's funny. You knew what I meant. You guys knew what I meant. It's neat how that goes on there like that. And faces, it's even got a little rubber stay to keep it from going into the wheel, I guess. But that's pretty. Just the fit and finish on this is really nice. This is stainless steel hardware. I can just tell by the way that it is. The front tire on there. We can put this on first. You know, you don't have to do it like I did the last time. You can put this on first. Put this in there. Quick release. Quando. Pull out the little spacer. Or the thing that keeps your brakes from collapsing while it's in shipping. Get that up in there. Give it a little finger snugga-dugga. Straighten it with the old thumb chrometer. Straighten it up with my eye chrometer. It's pretty good. It's straight-ish. Kind of just loosen that just a titch. Right on. That's cool. Yeah, this goes on the back. Makes much more sense now.
You like that, right? Yeah.
Well, before the days of bolt and rod.
So like this is all stainless steel hardware. This is stainless steel. This is stainless steel. It's, you know, it's just a nice fit and finish on everything.
Right.
I like it. Pull this rag up in there. Push it up. There we go.
It was.
There you go.
Awesome.
You can do it.
Unfortunately, no. Alright, I'll just pull my pockets. That's okay, I'm not going far. I'll be alright.
Still crooked. Come on, meow. There we go.
Oh, they're illegal now, aren't they?
Ooh, brakes. Yeah, that's
Chinese tests, they're always I don't listen.
yeah.
But
You dispose of those boxes and just don't even see you. So efficient, mister.
Right?
Yeah. Okay, buddy. It's okay, buddy. Yeah, and done. Thanks for coming along, you guys. I really appreciate it. If you need a bicycle, hit up my buddy Troy at Maple Ridge Cycles. If you need something repaired,
I'll be here for you.
and just want to come and look around, he's got some vintage stuff, he's got new stuff. He's a really good guy. Have a great day, and see you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in to Jeff Tech Metal Garage. Woohoo!